Today we're going to check out a new Honda Grom that's been customized with a few goodies. Why? Because the Grom is one of the most fun motorcycles to customize, as your options are endless and sometimes you need a little inspiration to show you what's possible, and that's why I'm here to help out.
Oh, okay.
Before we do that though, if you find my content helpful and or enjoy it, I know that last part is a stretch there, but if you'd like to help keep these videos coming, please consider checking out the join button below and some of these support links down in the description that also include discount codes on all the parts and accessories we'll be talking about today to help you save some money, and all of that helps to keep this train chugging along, as without your support, my days are numbered. Now, with that being said, let's dive into some of the accessories installed on this Honda Grom. First up is something that might be hard to see, but it's the Camo Wrap from Honda that incorporates their Phantom Camo design from their ATV and UTV models into a graphics kit for the Honda Grom. It was co-developed with Throttle Jockey exclusively for Honda and comes with 29 pieces to help add a bit of flavor to the tank, shrouds, both front and rear fenders, as well as the headlight cowl, side covers, and more. It utilizes flow technology that uses a channeled adhesive to try and help keep the bubbles at a minimum, and if camo isn't your thing, you've got other options from Honda as well, and of course, there are a million aftermarket options out there. And one more quick touch that I think was pretty cool, but I'm curious on your thoughts, is where they swapped out these silver washers that normally come on this matte black metallic paint option for these yellow washers that only come standard on the Force Metallic Silver Grom for this year. It's the little things that can sometimes make the biggest difference, but what do you guys think? Then we move over to something that really runs with the camo theme, and that's a set of Knobby dual sport tires for the Honda Grom. These IRC GP22 tires come in the factory 130/70 and 120/70 sizes, and to say they open up another world of fun on the Grom is an understatement. Plus, if you're one of the unlucky guys to have a set of V-rubbers that are still being thrown on new Groms to this day, these are one of the many different options out there that are light years better. Why? Well, to put it nicely, V-rubbers are absolute
Trash.
And if you'd like to upgrade your rubber, don't forget about those discount codes below. Up next, we've got one of the most fun parts to add to your Grom, and that's with an aftermarket exhaust. This Grom is sporting the Vance and Hines Upsweep slip-on exhaust system that's 50 state legal, unlike a lot of aftermarket exhaust systems, due to this slip-on keeping your cat with the factory header. Now, a full replacement exhaust is super easy to install on these bikes, but a slip-on takes it to another level of ease, as all you've got to do is remove the muffler, throw the new T-bolt clamp on there, and you're good to go. Plus, you're also shaving off 2 pounds of weight, and hands down, this matte black finish paired up with the CNC machined billet end cap looks so much better than the factory setup. And if you'd like to hear how it sounds, or the high output Hooligan full exhaust from Vance and Hines, check out the videos in the cards above, and they're linked below as well. But that's enough rambling from me. What do you guys think about this setup on the Grom? And would you like to see Honda play around with some different styles for the Grom? Something like a more sport bike looking spec, adventure and dual sport models, as well as some retro style builds right off the production line? Honda does pay attention to these videos, so let your voices be heard down in the comments section and let's talk about it all, as these videos aren't just for me to ramble on. But on that note, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to help support the future of these videos, please check out the support links below, and don't forget about the discount codes down in the description to help with all of your motorcycle parts. And that's a wrap for this one. Thank you again to our supporters for helping to keep this train chugging along, and we'll see you guys in the next one. But first,